This is a demonstration experiment on UPS. What is basically a UPS is uninterrupted power supply. So now in the UPS, as I told, it is called as uninterrupted power supply. Okay, the abbreviation is uninterrupted power supply. It is also called as a battery backup, the energy backup. The same thing I told, right? When the power is not there, what happens? The energy is stored in the battery, and therefore the whatever the storage energy is there, you can use it when the supply is not there. So hence it is called as a battery backup. Okay, and then or also it is called as a flywheel backup. These are the names given to the UPS, and there are 4 different types of UPS. What are those? It is online, offline, hybrid and line interactive UPS. These are the 4 types, and each of them are used in different applications, in different situations, whenever as and when it is required. And offline UPS is also called as a standby UPS system, and online is called as a double convection system. Okay, so basically the concept of UPS is to supply the power all throughout the day by storing the energy in the battery, and thereby uninterruptedly the consumer has to obtain the power supply. This is the main ideology of the UPS. So the main advantage of UPS is whenever there is a power cut or when the supply is not there, the UPS will store the charge in term, the UPS will store and the battery which is there inside the UPS will store the charge, and thereby there is no interruption in the power supply, and you can easily get the power supply all day. So that is the basic advantage of a UPS, and the main components in the UPS is basically a battery. A battery plays a very important role in the UPS. So what it does is whenever the supply is there, basically the battery will charge. Okay, so the function of a battery is to charge and discharge, correct? So when the supply is on, when the supply is in the active state, what happens? So this is the battery, so it constantly charges, okay, and it stores the energy. When the supply is off, that means whenever there is no power, when the power cut is there, what happens? Whatever energy is stored in the battery is discharged. Okay, so the discharge time is called is basically the charging and discharging concept, okay, and of energy. And in order to supply the power uninterruptedly throughout the day is the basic ideology of the UPS. Okay, so the main important now for you people is to understand how it works, right? So now let us assume that this is your mains, and here you will test your output. This is the battery and a transformer. Okay, so what is a transformer? We have seen, we have studied what is a transformer. It is a static device. Okay, it is not a variable device, it is a static device. It cannot move. Okay, if the transformer moves, what happens? The flux is not constant, right? Theoretically we have studied so much related to transformers. So we have studied about type, step up, step down, okay, and where a transformer is used and what is the frequency, on what principle does it work. On what principle does a transformer work? It works on mutual induction. That means whatever the changes happen in the primary side, the same will be happening in the secondary side, because the input is given to the primary side and the output is always observed across the secondary, that is the load side. Okay, all this we have discussed, right? So now the basic ideology of this is the transformer will supply the power, okay, or the distribution panel we have studied, right? The generation part, the voltage will be around 11 kV, and then it is come down, it is step down, the voltage is step down, because 11 kV cannot be used for a domestic purpose, right? The instruments will burn out. So what happens? With the help of a step down transformer, the voltage is reduced and it is brought down to 230 or 240 volts for a domestic supply. correct? So that is the ideology of a transformer. So with the help of that, the battery will be charged, okay, when the supply is there. So that charge is discharged, okay, the charge, once the energy which is stored when the battery is charged will be discharged, okay, when the supply is not there. So now let us assume that the supply is not there, and then what happens, this is a buzzer, you can see, right, there is a blue indicator, okay. So when the supply is not there, the buzzer will make a small sound, okay. So we can see that. See, the buzzer will make a small sound. Now the system is there in the UPS mode, okay. So this indicates that the current is not there, the power is not there. So now whatever energy is stored in the battery is discharged, right, and thereby you will have the supply throughout the day without any interruption. So this is all about the small demonstration of UPS, okay. Thank you.